Hello everyone, I'm Gjalt and welcome to a new TMS software video on the academic release of the TMS FNC UI pack. First of all, I'm going to give you a small explanation of what FNC actually is. FNC stands for Framework Neutral Components. So this means that those components can be used on 4 different frameworks: VCL and FMX via Delphi, TMS WEB Core, which is our software and is also available with Delphi, and in the future will become available via WebCore for Visual Studio Code, and as a last framework you'll be able to use these components in Lazarus. And with those 4 different frameworks you're able to hit over 10 different platforms: Windows applications with VCL, Android, macOS and iOS via FMX. With WebCore you'll be able to deploy your website on different web browsers. Some of them are Google Chrome, Mozilla, Firefox, Safari, Internet Explorer and Microsoft Edge. And you can even create applications for Linux and even Raspberry Pi thanks to Lazarus. And this is all done with the same components. So these are cross-framework and cross-platform components. Now you're not bound to only use FNC components in your application. If you are creating an VCL application, you can even use our VCL products and or different FNC products next to each other to create the perfect result that you want. Now, why did we start the TMS Academic program? I remember when I was in school and I had to create projects that they all looked simple and dull with the default buttons, edits and so on, and they looked nothing compared to the professional applications that were on my computer. Now, I never had the idea to use third-party components, as usually you had to buy them or they were only available for a small period of time. This is where we want to help the TMS Academic students. Now you will be able to use our components in your school projects without a message popping up or a trial of 30 days. So this will get your application from this simple layout to this much nicer look. TMS Academic license is available for students and teachers for non-commercial use, and it can be used with the latest Delphi Community Edition. Now we already have the TMS VCL UI pack and the TMS FNC UI pack available, but more are coming. However, unfortunately, it's not possible to use the academic version of the TMS FNC UI pack on Lazarus and therefore all of its targeting platforms. But you can still use it for VCL, FMX and WebCore. These are again all the same components. You can apply for the academic licenses via the link tmssoftware.com/academic if you have a valid mail address from an academic domain. More information on the use of it can also be found on that page. We hope that the TMS academic licenses will give students and teachers a great advantage in future projects, and keep an eye out on our website, social media and YouTube channel so you know when a new TMS product will become available in your academic backpack. Thank you for watching. Until the next time.